Hello students. In last presentation we had discussed on electric discharge machine EDM. Today we will discuss on wire cut electric discharge machine. In wire cut electric discharge machine we cover the introduction, principle of working, setup of wire cut electric discharge machine, process parameter, advantages of wire cut electric discharge machine, disadvantages of wire cut electric discharge machine, and application of wire cut electric discharge machine. Introduction. The basic principle of metal remover in wire cut electric discharge machine is the same as that of electric discharge machine. It employs electrical energy to remove metal from the workpiece without touching it. The process can be used only when the workpiece to be cut has a through hole in it or the cut is to be taken from the outer edge into the workpiece as shown in figure. It uses a wire of about 0.3 mm diameter as a tool. The wire is made up of copper or tungsten. Deionized water is used as a dielectric fluid. Principle of working wire cut electric discharge machine. Wire cut electric discharge machine works on the principle that the heat energy generated by a spark is used to remove the material from the workpiece. It uses a wire of about 0.3 mm diameter as an electrode or tool. A constant gap of 0.5 mm is maintained between the wire and workpiece with the help of a control system. The wire is continuously moved at constant speed through the workpiece. A dielectric fluid is constantly flushed in the area of machining. When the machine tool is switched on, sparks are generated between the tool and workpiece. When the spark comes in contact with the dielectric fluid in the gap, the fluid gets ionized and it allows the current to flow between the tool and workpiece. Heat generated during the sparking process results in melting of the workpiece. These melt particles of the metal are then driven away by the dielectric fluid. In order to create the desired shape on the workpiece, the table motion are controlled by the positioning unit. The setup of wire cut electric discharge machine as shown in figure. First, power supply system. Second, dielectric system. Third, a CNC control system. Fourth, wire drive system. So first we will see power supply system. In the workpiece is mounted on the table. The tool is connected to negative terminal so that it become a cathode while workpiece is connected to positive terminal and become a anode. The tool and workpiece is connected to the DC supply. Second, dielectric system. Deionizer water is used as a dielectric fluid in wire cut electric discharge machine. It gives high metal removal rate as a better surface finish. A nozzle is employed to inject the dielectric fluid in the machining area. Both the workpiece and the wire are constantly flushed with dielectric fluid at the area being machined. The dielectric also serve as a coolant. Next, a CNC control system. A CNC control system is used for the movement of the table. The table can also be moved in both the directions simultaneously for taking a controlling cuts. Next, wire drive system. In this system, perform three functions. First, to feed the fresh wire for the machining. Second, to take up the used wire. Third, to keep the wire under a appropriate tension so that it moves in the machining area as a straight wire. The wire is used only once become due to sparking which take place at the surface of the wire. The wire no longer remain round. During operation, when the supply is made on, the dielectric fluid get ionized and result in melting of the workpiece. Controlling parameter. The main controlling parameter in wire cut electric discharge machine are: first, discharge current; second, pulse duration; third, pulse frequency; fourth, cutting rate; fifth, wire tension; sixth, dielectric flow. We will see one by one. First, discharge current. Material remove rate depends on current. Increase the current, increase the crater depth up to the certain value, beyond which increase this parameter yield a smoother surface. Pulse duration. Increase in pulse duration result in more removal of material. Increase in pulse duration result in reduced surface roughness. Pulse frequency. Material remove rate increase with pulse frequency. This result in reduced crater size or better surface finish. Next, cutting rate. The wire speed is in the range of 2.5 to 150 mm per second. The cutting rate depends upon the thickness of the workpiece. The maximum depth of material that can be machined is about 90 mm. The average machine rate of 10 to 15 mm square per minute is generally achieved. Next, wire tension. The appropriate wire tension should be maintained in order to keep the wire straight. A series of tension rollers is provided to keep the required tension. The wire tension is 50% to 60% of its tensile strength. Next, dielectric flow. A nozzle is employed to inject the dielectric fluid in the machining area. The supply of dielectric should be continuous or enough to allow the sparking. The dielectric fluid can be reused but only after a filtration. Advantages of wire cut electric discharge machine: better stability and higher productivity, higher machining rate with desired accuracy and minimum surface damage, use in production of forming tools, to produce plastic molding, die casting, forging dies, etc. Can be applied to all electrically conducting metals and alloys irrespective of their melting point, hardness, toughness or brittleness. Straight hole can be produced to close tolerance. Very sharp angle can be cut with almost no radius. Disadvantages of wire cut electric discharge machine: wire cannot be reused. If proper tension in wire is not maintained, the surface finish will be poor. Residual stresses are induced in the workpiece during machining. The maximum depth of workpiece which can be machined is around 90 mm. Application of wire cut electric discharge machine. Punches and dies used in press tool can be made for the production of molds and dies used to cut out complex counters in electrically conductive workpiece. Cylindrical pins as small as 5 mm in diameter can be machined. Thank you.